Now let us understand what is the overview of organic chemistry syllabus for IIT JEE. Now, as you can understand, there are three branches of chemistry: physical, organic and inorganic. Organic being one of the most important portion. It is often asked in Olympiad to a very highest level, and also in JEE you will find a lot of questions on organic chemistry. Now in general, what we study in organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is generally the study of carbon and its compound. So mostly we study about hydrocarbon and their homologues and some functional group attached to those hydrocarbons. So organic chemistry starts with the very fundamental chapter called as nomenclature, then followed by general organic chemistry and then isomerism. After that we come to these individual chapters where we study about the individual compounds, their physical properties and their chemical properties. So if we talk about basis of organic chemistry, what is the most fundamental thing that is required to study organic chemistry? One thing that we always expect from anyone who is learning organic chemistry is a strong grip in chemical bonding, because there are so many concepts of chemical bonding that we are going to use in this particular portion. So if we talk about the concepts and foundation building, we'll start right from the scratch. We'll talk about all the fundamental ideas that we'll use in the chapters, and then we will slowly will build the right concept that will actually help you to have a strong grip on the individual chapters.